Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by removing friction. Clear your workspace and silence distractions so you can start immediately. Choose one concrete goal and a realistic time block. This anchors attention and reduces decision fatigue. Once done, gather only the materials you'll actually use, no extra books or tabs. Place a notepad for distractions and a visible timer. This early momentum matters. You trade vague intentions for a precise plan, and that clarity makes it far easier to dive into focused work right now. You now enter the middle of the session where depth is won through method. Use concentrated blocks, 25 to 50 minutes, paired with short breaks to sustain intensity. This rhythm preserves focus. Actively engage, quiz yourself, teach the material aloud, and write concise summaries to reinforce memory. When a task feels overwhelming, split it into 10-minute micro-steps so you can progress without anxiety. Make sure to log what worked and what didn't. Those notes let you refine your plan for the next block. You finish by actively consolidating. Spend 5 to 10 minutes summarizing what you learned and defining the exact goal for your next session so momentum carries forward. Reflect on one improvement to try next time. This builds continuous progress. If you find focus collapsing, troubleshoot quickly. Switch to an easier topic for 5 minutes or narrow the task to a single problem to rebuild control. Remember, a short, deliberate correction prevents spirals and keeps your study habit reliable over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.